Hi, I'm Julio Macrohon, a PhD in Information Engineering student here in Taiwan.
Hi, I am Rudolph Anthony Barisco, a PhD in Oceanography student here in Taiwan. Julio, after staying here for 2 years here in Taiwan, how do you find the weather?
I find the weather here as roughly about the same as Philippines, but more colder. During the winter months, though north of the Philippines, we experience a bit cold, a bit of a cold weather. But here in Taiwan, it's much more colder. Though we're in the south of Taiwan, we do feel the cold here.
Yeah.
But we also do feel some of the typhoon and the heat also from the Philippines.
Yeah, I think also the weather in Taiwan is very cold.
Yeah.
Right. So especially during the winter.
During the winter time.
Yeah, during the winter time.
So you need a lot of jackets.
Yeah. Especially me, even I'm inside my room, I need to wear the jacket because it's very cold since they do not have any heater.
Yeah, some do have heaters.
Yeah.
My place has heater.
Oh, sana all.
Sana all.